enjoy this book called Pickle's Nose, and it's by Claire Golding, illustrated by Dan Palmiscano. Um, I'm going to just let you read it first. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause it, and then at the end, if you want to stick around, I'll read it to you. All right? I hope you enjoy Pickle's Nose. that's the story of Pickle's nose. If you'd like, I'll read it now to you if you want to listen in, or if you're good with Pickle's nose, you can just end it here. All right, so here's Pickle's Nose by Claire Golding, illustrated by Dan Palmiscano. All right, Pickle's Nose. Once there was a dog named Pickle and a boy named Jake. Pickle was Jake's dog. Pickle had short legs, a long tail, and a big nose. That big nose was always getting Pickle into trouble. He liked to smell everything. Pickle sniffed the trash and it fell over. He sniffed the flowers and the vase broke. He sniffed the fish in the fishbowl and some of the water spilled out. "Stop, Pickle!" scolded Jake. "Stop putting your nose into everything." One day Jake and Pickle went to the park. "Pickle," said Jake, "I'm going to play with my friends. You sit here." Pickle sat and sat. He tried not to smell anything, but his nose could smell the flowers and the birds and the squirrels. It was hard to sit still. Then a wonderful smell floated by. Pickle couldn't sit still any longer. He had to find the thing that smelled so wonderful. Pickle tugged at his leash. He tugged and tugged until the leash came off. Then he followed his nose. Pickle found a man making hot dogs. The hot dogs smelled wonderful. He tried to sniff them. "Go away!" shouted the man. "Hot dogs are not for you." Pickle ran away. Then Pickle followed his nose to a bakery. The bread smelled wonderful. He tried to get close to it. "Go away!" yelled the baker. "No dogs in here." So Pickle ran away. Then Pickle's nose found some people eating lunch. The lunch smelled wonderful. He sniffed and sniffed at it. "Bad dog!" shouted a woman. "Get away from my lunch." Pickle ran away. All the wonderful smells made Pickle hungry, and all the walking made him tired. He looked around. Where was Jake? Pickle had no idea. Pickle walked and walked. He tried not to smell anything so he wouldn't get into any more trouble. But Pickle's nose could smell everything. Suddenly, another wonderful smell floated by. It was the most wonderful smell in the whole world. Pickle started running. He ran past the people eating lunch. He ran past the bakery. He ran past the man with the hot dogs. In the park, Pickle ran right past the squirrels and the birds and the flowers. He ran and ran. And there was Jake. Pickle jumped up on his short legs and he wagged his long tail. He licked and licked and licked Jake's face. "Good dog," said Jake. "You got off your leash, but you stayed right here." He gave Pickle a big hug. "Let's go home," Jake said, "and I'll give you a treat." So Jake and Pickle went home, and Jake never knew that Pickle's nose led him far away that day. So I think that was a really cute story about Pickle's nose. There he is sniffing the lunches. And I'm glad Jake was able to get Pickle back. I hope you like the story. Keep reading.